Hey, hi, welcome to my another new track that is gonna be happen today onwards. Guess what? Where we are?
We are at Bali Pass.
Actually, currently
We are at Sankri, which is the starting point of this trek called Bali Pass. As
yeah.
you can see the surroundings, uh, there are green mountains everywhere around.
Just now we reached to the Sankari and we are just staying in some hotel. That hotel is pretty good and we are just waiting for another group here. So once they will come here, we will have some more introduction about this place and how it gonna be start at Bali Pass. But right now we just enjoyed the nice view here. Hi Dilip.
Hi everyone. You can look at the green mountains. This time around the second half of the year, there is no snow.
Yes, welcome back. And now we have today we already reached in Sankari by evening and we just had our dinner. Everything is done. All the discussion with our track coordinator, everything is done. And as per their instruction, we have just packed our bag. We already check everything. So you can see this small bag is mine. This is my friend bag. And this is for a luggage that we will keep here only. And this is food. This is a trekking shoes that we took as a rent, and I paid 1,200 for this. And this walking pole that is also is required, I think. But anyway, we will see how it's gonna be this Bali Pass trek. I hope everything should be fine and weather also should be fine. And right now it's very cold here. We are wearing a two layer. One is jacket inside and another is hoodie. And we are going to sleep now because tomorrow morning we have to wake up so early. See you later. Hey, good morning guys. Today is a day 2 and last night we slept so early, around 10 p.m. Unfortunately, we have to wake up like a early morning 5 a.m. before 5 a.m. So everybody they can get time to get ready. We are almost ready now, and we are just taking our bag again. And I will show you how is the mornings happening in the Sankari. Still, it is a night. I think in that side sunrise will happen, and it's a very beautiful view now. You can see how the mountain it is. Hey bro. Oh, you are getting a pressure. Okay, anyway, still we have to get ready for our luggage and all. We have to do our backpack. We'll see you later when we will reach to that place. And today is our day 2. Yeah, we almost done and we already packed our bag and all. So here you can see I have a 2 bag. One is big one is small. That is a day pack. Means what are the things I need to take every time out. So just keep here only, and lunch box and cap, pole, and he's still getting ready.
We are going for a shower. That's the first time, last time in 7 days, in fact, that we'll be taking a shower. Only after 6 days we'll be taking a shower after this.
Yeah, exactly. So what are the luxury thing is there? So we have to do everything today itself only, because these beds are all not available during the track. We have to sleep in the tent and the nature, and it will be good also. But by the way, today,
Look at that giant bag there.
yeah, here also.
Very big. It had to be carried all the way.
So today is a day 2. So how we gonna be from Sankari to Taluka? We will ride some small vehicle
that we don't know exactly, we'll see later. Then that is around 12 kilometer. After that, from Taluka to Sima we have to walk around 12 kilometer track again. It will be maybe 12 to 14, and as per our tech leader, he said it will be very difficult track for a day 2. Let's see how it's gonna be happen. I hope we can make it. And the time is now 6:08. We'll see you. Yeah, we have done our breakfast and all, and everything is packed and we are ready. You can see our bag is ready now. We also ready. We are about to leave this place, and let's see how the track is gonna be happen. We are about to leave now. We are sitting on the roof. All are enjoying now the view. This. Let's go. हम लोग को उधर जाना है, करीब 10 किलोमीटर चलना है यहाँ से. We have to ride about 10 kilometer in this small vehicle.
अरे वहाँ से किसी को बोलना फोटो लेने के लिए.
We are ready to go now.
अरे वहाँ से कोई वीडियो लेता तो अच्छा होता. तुम्हारा ही तो है ना वो स्टिक वाला.
ले लूँगा.
सीनरी अच्छा आने दो पहले.
हाँ. चलो भाई चलो. Let's go. बहुत सारा. सही है सही है.
हम लोग का अच्छा फोटो आएगा तो दिखा. लेकिन भाई सब लोग फोटो दे देना. पिछले ट्रेक का फोटो अभी तक नहीं मिला मुझे.
अब हम लोग चल रहे हैं.
चल रहे. वो तो दिखाई दे रहा है, बोलने की जरूरत क्या है.
सामने क्या है यार. अच्छा, गोविंद वन जीवन बिहार में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. That's good. Yeah, welcoming us now. I think we need some permission here, small permission. हाँ भैया हो गया.
रियली ब्यूटीफुल है मैन.
Look at the tree.
वाओ. ये देवदार है या ओक है? ये क्या है?
ओक है. ओक है. ग्रीन ओक है.
तो सभी को ओक बोल रहे. वहाँ से वीडियो हम लोग अच्छा.
Yeah, exactly the
अरे वो
view.
लोग भाग रहे हैं.
Look at the view. This is a benefit if you are sitting on the roof on the vehicle. You will never miss any view and all. Such a really nice view.
करके बैठो ठीक से.
I already grabbed. Wow. खतरनाक.
अरे रोलर कोस्टर राइड लग रहा
This
है.
looks like a roller coaster. Wow, such a beautiful place.
रियली आज तो बहुत मजा आ गया.
Yeah, one small stream. Here we have some small narrow road. You can see how the mountain it is above us. And the vehicle. I think you have to make a path.
अरे यार.
आगे तक चलते हैं.
डर लग रहा है.
You have to get down now from here because the road is not proper, and that side the road is already blocked. So we have to start trekking from here itself.
क्या हो गया?
We have to track from here actually. No need to take a risk for a vehicle.
जाके फोटो ले लो गाड़ी के साथ में.
Anyway, Better to be walk from here. Your bag, I think you just. Which bag?
बाइक का
Oh, that side only. Only one bag I can see.
एक बैग
मेरा है
So let's walk. As you can see, I'm just wearing a woolen cap, gloves and jacket, light jacket. I think hoodie only, because here I'm feeling little cold. Temperature is pretty much good to feel a cold and all, and view is also very beautiful from here. So this is the way I will go there. Right now we are seeing full greenery and all. I think after 1 or 2 days we will see the snow mountain. I don't know exactly if it is a river or any stream, but looks so beautiful. This is how we came from that side. We walk around this path. And now we just turn here and see people are going that side. We have to go that side. They are trying their best to take it out, this vehicle. No, that's the until this vehicle clear, then only we can take over all the luggage. Hope this tractor will helpful for us.
Then we go together, okay?
Chalo.
ये बढ़िया वाला
We'll charge you for recording all this.
चलो अरे बकवास
जय माता की। तार निकालो अभी, तार साथ साथ
अरे इधर लकड़ी डाल दो।
देख लो हमारे साथ साथ हमारे हाथ लगाते हैं काम हुआ।
Finally we did it. Everything is clear now. Now we are ready to go. We are ready to go now. अरे चलो चलो।
हेलो नहीं करेंगे।
अच्छा भाई आराम से चलो, दर्द हो रहा है। हारन क्यों दे रहे हैं, कोई है ही नहीं आगे।
मेरे वाले तो पहुंच गए।
टूट गया था क्या? अरे यार ये तो बहुत पतला है, लकड़ी का है। Last time the same bridge was broken, now they already made it strong.
यहाँ तो निकलो।
चला
अगर
जा।
यहाँ से उतरना होगा ना,
अरे पत्थर निकाल दो।
Hey, we can go or
अरे पत्थर निकाल दो आगे से।
ja. That is a wooden bridge. Let's see. We just stopped somewhere in the middle of the road and some construction is going on. As you can see, the JCB is working on. इसको इतना काम करने के बाद किसको ये तो चौलाई है।
इसके अंदर से इससे खाने निकलते हैं।
अच्छा वो चौलाई वाला था ना। So we reach a Taluka. It's a village only. Look at the small house. I hope in the future I will have a same house like this only. प्रयोगशाला। यहाँ पे क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है? All the views are there. This is a small town. The name is Taluka. And from here only we will start our trekking part. Chalo.
फोटो खींच देना।
How they are living here? We just stop for a small break. Maggie is going on and a tea. Mountain tea.
Himalayan mountain tea.
Supin River. This is a Supin River. So we already done everything. Our breakfast point, everything is done in Taluka. Now we are going through this trail up to 10 kilometers to Sima, Taluka to Sima. Let's see how much it will take a time. Right now it is 11 AM. Wow, look at this small house. I don't know if anybody is staying there or not, but it looks so very beautiful small house. Looks like that bridge is broken. So everyone, they stop here only in this beautiful place.
and here that Supin river is going on. Not bad. We just stop here one small dhaba. There you can get some refreshment food, just like a Maggi, tea, omelette, and coffee and cold drinks. Everything is going good, and we are feeling little tired, and we don't know how much far now from here. But I believe at least we have to walk another 2 hours to reach our base camp. I think we almost reached to our destination, but still it will take a 1.5 hours to reach there. You can see in front of us one small village is there, small valley on the mountain. Looks like that only, Seema. And still we have to walk. Yeah, after walking around more than 6 hours, I think the time is now 4:36. Almost we started early morning 7:30. Now it is a 4:36, and still we have to walk another 1 hour. And we stop here some small dhaba that looks so nice actually. Let's take some break here. Anyway, now we reached to the village that name is Gangar, and our tech leader they decided to stay here only because it's getting dark now, and still we have to walk another 2 hours. So he decided not to go to that place. We will do campsite here only behind me. In this place only they will keep all the camp, and this mules already came with all the luggage, our kitchen, everything, whatever is required for a trek, everything is there on the mule. So we are just taking a rest for quite some time. Look at the view of the village. Now they are going to arrange our tent here. All the mules came already. I don't know what happened to this mules, it fell down. I think it's taking a rest. Good job.
खींचना नहीं है कभी भी, हम चाहे पिच कर रहे हैं चाहे निकाल रहे हैं.
Trying to set up our tent.
दूसरा पार्टनर ऐसा हेल्प करेगा. ओके. उसके बाद उससे 2 छोटी स्टिक है जो डोर के आगे ऊपर लगेगी, बोथ साइड. फिर इन्हीं टेंट के आगे
One tent is ready now. बाकी सब टेंट किधर है? बाकी तो किसी बैग में होंगे ना?
और टेंट कितने हैं भाई जी?
Yeah, we need to find more tent because all the tent is already taken. Still I have to find our tent. I think somewhere in this bag. I think you cannot see that, but almost all the tent is ready. Almost We have around 6, 7, 8 tent is there already ready now. And it's very dark and we are feeling very cold. The good thing is here we have a bonfire. I think nothing is visible right now, but anyway I will show you in the morning. Later we will have a dinner. Yeah, now it's a tea time. We are just having a tea. We are having a tea here and the bonfire is nice. Yeah, so today day 2 is over now. We already had a dinner. Dinner was so good, and now we are about to sleep.
Dinner you had?
Yeah. We are about to sleep now because it's already 9 p.m. and tomorrow again we have to wake up early morning and again we have to do another trek for another location. Tomorrow I will let you know which place we will go. For now, good night.